Okay, let's take a look at how to add fractions that have different denominators. As we can see in our diagram here, we have a fraction that represents 1/2 and a fraction that represents 3 out of 5. If we were to add those together, we would be able to take and put them together, but they are not the same size, so it becomes very difficult to figure out how much it will be if we add them all together. So a way around this is we could rename the fractions. So if we consider this um, this 3/5, we have 3 out of 5. What we can do is we can make them into groups of 10. So now another name for 3/5 we can see would be 6 out of 10, as shown here. I have 6 out of 10. We can do the same thing with the 1/2. We can rename it so it has a 10 on the bottom as well. We can rename it so it has a 10 on the bottom, and we can show this by dividing this the other way, and that 1 out of 2 really becomes 5 out of 10. So we have 5 out of 10. So now I have 5 out of 10 plus 6 out of 10. We can see that they now are the same size. So we can see that this square could go here, this square could go here, this square could go here, and this square could go here. So that would fill up this box, and we'd have 1 left over. So we would have a total of 11 tenths. And 5 plus 6 is 11 tenths. That is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. And we can change that to a mixed number by saying we have 1 full box and there's 1 out of a possible 10 spaces filled in the second box.